All right, are we live? How's everyone doing? Gotta check something real quick here. Okay, let's see. I think we're good. Are we good? What's up, Silver, Hamid? See if I can scroll this chat today. What's up, dude? Ross. What's up, Dave? How you doing, my man? XRP Army, XCN, XRP. I guess we'll start it off with XCN, huh? I just did an update on it, but I don't know where that candle closed. We just got new weekly candles spawning in here, so we're gonna see if we're gonna be bullish or bearish. Yeah, ultimately XCN still stuck in the downtrend here in the pattern. Potentially a falling wedge pattern here on the daily. So we still held our green box. So we're gonna see where this new weekly candle ends up moving to, but we did technically close below that 2-2 level, but we'll see what happens here. XRP, I'd imagine XRP's in the same spot. Let's see, daily candles. Yeah, XRP's potentially forming a little cup and handle here. But ultimately XRP still looks good. If we go high to the low, you can see we're above the 618 still. So it needs to get a close over 280 and then 296 here. What's up? The weirdest thing happened with CTX today. What happened? Yeah, I saw Golem was moving. GLM. Trying to get caught up here real quick. In this Golem. Yeah, we haven't looked at this thing in I don't know how long, but yeah, Golem had a nice move, but ultimately you can clearly see weekly candles are getting stuck right at the 618. So that wick above could be it. So I would just keep it that simple. Got to get over 40. If it doesn't, you're creating a lower high and you just made a lower low, so not the greatest looking right now. So maybe if you can hold over 3.7. Let's see your 236 on the shorter time frames. Yeah, it's right where this candle's sitting. If I can get it to move right. Pretty much 37 right now is your price to stay bullish on Golem. PNG. Alright, you said something happened to CTX today. Alright, yeah, there's so much chat already. I don't even know what to look at now. What's up, Flip Coins, XCN Bro? What's up, Slava? What's up, Alicia? Anel, CD's in the house. How you guys doing? No sound on the Swift video? Really? Alright, let me pull up, I guess, CTX. I'm gonna have to go check that. If there's no sound on there, something went wrong. He says no sound. You could be right. Alright, we're gonna have to hear it for a moment. It's odd, no one commented that. The risk of dropping another 39 to 40% back down. Nah, there's sound on it. It must be something on your end. Alright, let me get back over to the chat now. The slowest computer ever made. Come on. Let's see. Alright, come on, chat. You can load. What's up, Roger? Alright, I see CTX. Ross says he's got $2,500 to throw at XCN or ACH. Can't answer that, but I don't think I'd buy either of them right now. It's cold outside. What's up, Links? Yeah. Yeah, I checked it. It's good. I don't know. Something on the other end there. Alright, looking at CTX. So what happened to CTX today? Looks like a bunch of nothing. What are we on? Weekly candles. Yeah, all I see is the chart here. But CTX, real quick, it made a lower high, and it looks, excuse me, looks like it's just coming back down to the trend here. That's all I see. Like a lot of these Coinbase coins, especially the ones that made lower highs. Just a simple trip back down. So 243 looks like your target right now. If you can get back over 316, you can be bullish. Other than that, you're going to drop 16%. Back down to the trend, and then we'll just pick it up from there and see what happens. But that's all I really see on CTX. We're going sideways till June. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. What's up, Daniel? Yeah, I think a couple of people said P&G. Pangolin, let's see what P&G's doing. Yeah, I updated P&G again because it had a little bounce. But I did make an update on that also. But all I really said in the video is you're still making lower highs and lower lows. This little bounce, you did get a close over, but you're falling right back down here on the weekly. So it needs to stay over 23 at the moment, or else this is just a little protection bounce and it's going to fall farther just because of the market structure. Like I said, the lower low here, bounce, and then just come right back down. So it's just going to remain to be seen. 15 to stay bullish, and then needs to get over 23 and hold, which it may do now that you had a weekly close here. But yeah, Pangolin's going to be a good play. They have all the coins in circulation, so there's nothing stopping this thing from running hard. So hopefully this thing holds up. I don't know where this thing's going to go, but come back up here to around $5 to $6. That's a 27x on this thing. If this thing's going to hit 10 or 15 to $20 like people are saying, we do have this target up here, 19% move to 26. But yeah, Pangolin's going to be a good play this cycle. It just depends on how long we're going to go down for. What's up, Bryant? How you doing? I hope you bought some B3 the other day. No, I didn't buy any. But all these things coming down and making higher lows on these charts, if something like P&G, if we come down further, then that's going to tell us that we're not going up until late spring, early summer. It's just the way the market is until we decide to have odd season. 6 inches of snow and ice, my God. Yeah, we're supposed to get some snow here. Hopefully not a lot. I'm tired of being cold. Chuck on base. Let me write that down. Alicia says Mobi AI. It's on Sol. That's a Bitmart chart. Okay, Mobi AI. Alright, let me pull up a notepad so I can put down Chuck on base. Chuck on base, come on. Alright, Chuck on base. Alright, any more deck screener coins, put them up now, so that way when we go over there. Trump says a nil. Alright, I'm not caught up on the chat, you guys. I'm way back here. So Alicia wants Mobi AI. Let's see if we can find a Bitmart chart on this one. Mobi AI. Let's see what do we got here. Looks like it just spawned into the crypto universe here. All the way down to the daily candles. Let's see. Well, the only thing we can do is see if this is the bottom, which it could be. Double bottom with a higher low possible in play here. So you need to get back over 4, confirm macro bottom, back over 5.5 to be bullish. We're on the daily chart here. And then let's see what we're holding here. Hopefully a 618. Yeah, it's trying to hold a 618 right now. So if you can stay over 35, that's a good spot. It could go down to 30. But that would be your bottom for that double bottom higher low scenario, which is extremely bullish, by the way. So even if it does come down to 3 and hold, that would be a good spot. But as of right now, Mobi AI, if it's going to hold the 618 and this bullish pattern here, not a bad move. New high possible to 38 cents is a 10.5x to the first big target. Yeah, we'll go over Swift in a minute though. We always go over Swift. I don't know why you couldn't hear it, but got, Trump. Yeah, there was someone in real life today asking me about crypto, and they actually asked me about the Trump coin. It was shocking. They were wondering if it was going to ever go back up, or did it kill the market? I was like, yeah, it killed the market. And they just laughed. Trump, what are we on? Daily 4-hour Trump chart. I mean, she's still holding up. Some of this off the screen. So not the prettiest of holds, but you can see you're going completely sideways. Let's see. I guess it's holding up. It's down below the 0.5, but if you can kind of hold 1875 here, even down to 1760, would still be a good spot. But the other thing I can clearly see is this could be a continuation pattern to the downside. As this move up and then you consolidate it in this little bitty flag type of a pattern, pennant pattern here, then you blast it out of here. Now you move down, and now it looks like you're starting to form a little baby bull flag, a bear flag, I mean. And that could just tell you, especially on a smaller time frame, that it's just simply consolidation, bear flag, and then it's coming down either to 17 and maybe 16. 16 would be your last hope. But if she somehow holds the 0.5 here and people start to buy back into this thing, 618 retracement is a 2x to 41. And then if it breaks the high and comes up to the 1272 and 125 would be a 6.5x. Trump. All right, let me get it. I gotta get caught up on chat. I'm way behind. What's up, Derek? Little pump and dump on GFI, then ABT and PNG will follow. Yeah, PNG already had a pump. Now it's maybe dumping. PNG can do an XCN or Swift move. Yeah, that's one of the reasons I like Pangolin. All the supply is out. Low market cap. It's on Coinbase. A decent amount of people know about it. Let's see. What's up, Terra? B3, I guess, because a couple of people are asking for B3 and SPA. Everyone, please hit the like button for me. What is B3 doing? What are we on, the 4 hour? I think we were watching it on the hourly candles on B3. Nah, it looks like a cup and handle formed. So that is bullish. So as long as you stay over 9.2, yeah, it looks like this thing may run up. Especially off that bowl, cup, whatever you want to call it. So once you get over 1.1, this thing may shoot straight up to the 236 at a 40% move to 1.3. But it is very good low to the high that it held the 618 here. That is not a bad look. Yeah, this thing may start running again once it breaks the 382. Come on. You guys are still buying this coin though? B3. Next big target up would be the 1272 at 2.5 for a 160% move. So if it holds up here, you can see double, it's a 0.5236 we're holding. So we're holding double support. We bounced on the 618, so nothing looks bad on the chart at the moment, and it has that cup and handle pattern. SPA. Yeah, can you guys hear the music? Yeah, SPA is the same as Swift and everything else here. Hold on. It's trying to hold up, but ultimately it's doing the same thing. It's getting stuck at the previous trend. You did make higher highs and higher lows, but we'll see what happens here. Low to the high, you're still above the 236, so as long as you're above 2.1 on SPA, you're bullish here, even down to the double 382. But if it breaks those levels, then of course, as we keep saying on everything, slow march back down to the trend. So any lower than 2.1 here, then you're going to drop 30%, 15 to 16, 30 to 40%. And then any lower than that, that's your confirmation that it's coming down. 236, 618 to the bottom. So I just want you guys to be aware of that until all season gets here, we could have a slow crawl back down, 50-60% drops on things back down. They don't have to. It could do like it did here and hold and bounce again, hold and bounce again. So that's why you got to watch these levels here. But yeah, SPA. SPA's another good one. It's been out forever. Not a bad move. 786 to 9, 10 pennies is a 3.5x. And then this one, 1272 retracement is all the way up here at about 78, 80 cents. 30x. if you think it's going to hit $1 billion market cap plus. SD, all right. Jupe we looked at yesterday. Jupe has a really good looking chart. I don't know where you can buy this thing at. I don't think it's on Coinbase, is it? But yeah, this is one of those charts where it shot up and it's just been consolidating forever. So the bottom is in over 8.2, bullish over 9.6. She's moving a little bit here. 3-day candles are getting stuck right at the 382. So if you can get a candle over the 382, and then it looks like the breakout on this one's probably going to be 150. But not bad in consolidation here. But I know nothing about Jupiter. But as of right now, new high on Jupiter would be about 250. 180% move from today. If it starts to shoot out of here. Stater. Yeah, SD is the one I don't like to chart because it's just all over the place. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like SD also, when you get over 150, gets stuck here every time. That's when she's going to fly out of here. But you're above the 236, so as long as you're above 56, your bottom is in over 96 to $1. You can be bullish again. Yeah, I don't know what Stater even is or does. I don't like the chart, but it's what it is. Almost a 33x to $25 if you think it's going to hit a new high. Alright, I guess we're going over to deck screen. Anybody else come up with any deck screener coins? I got Toshi and Chuck. Good bull run music. Why would we get a Trump pump tomorrow? Alright, let's see. Yeah, I can't wait till I get a better laptop because I can't scroll through this chat. I don't know why it's doing that. Can we look at spell token? Excuse me. Yeah, I'm gonna go refresh my water in a minute. We got flip coins for 10. I appreciate that. Turbo targets, please. I appreciate the 10, my man. Turbo. Did Turbo hold up? That's the question. She's still breaking down. She's still holding. Man, this has to be the bottom for Turbo. I don't remember if she was holding anything here. She held the low, and we'll see. I guess if you can get back over 4, you're back to being bullish here, but the one good thing I do like about Turbo right now is that it came down so fast, so hard. Good buying opportunity in my opinion. Yeah, so 4-4-1, bottom, short term, and bullish. But the fact that you just held this high from back here for all these times, and yet again. So as long as we're over 3 up to 4, I would say should be good here. But I think Turbo, as long as it doesn't break down, like come all the way down to 1 and then lower, then these targets are still in play. I really like 3 pennies here for almost a 10x. 2 billion market cap. I like this target here. especially with the targets these I was going to say crazy, when these other influencers are talking about these ridiculous prices on these coins, then I think these are definitely going to get hit. 14 to 15 cents is going to be an easy 40x, and then if we can hit 40 cents on Turbo, 26 billion market cap, 114x. But like I said, it's going to remain to be seen if we're going to hold up here. Yeah, if Turbo can hold and consolidate and even get over some levels, I don't even know where you can buy Turbo. I appreciate the 10. Hold on. Yeah, if we draw low to the high, most recent low high, then if it's going to break down more and you're looking for a discount, I don't know what targets you're looking for, but hopefully it doesn't break down. It's a 50% drop down to the 1272 to the downside. But if it comes down there, then it's extremely bearish. Just so you know. It's going to follow your Billy down into the shadow realm. Come on, chat. You can do it. Hold on. I think I'm missing a super chat. We got Derek, or Dave. Dave for 2 says, please check Carlo and ETHAI. Pump my baby bags. I appreciate the 2. Oh yeah, Carlo. Let me put that on the list. Yeah, we're going over to Deck Screener real quick. Carlo and what? I appreciate the 2. I appreciate the 10. Oh yeah, ETHAI. Yeah, I never did buy that one. I got out of all my positions. All my gamble positions. Lord. ETHAI. Alright, I'm trying. And we got Tara for 10. I appreciate that. First super chat on the channel. I appreciate that a lot. Thanks for always honoring our requests. Appreciate you. I appreciate you being here. I appreciate the support. Means a lot. We got Dave for 2 again. He says Ski Cat and Ski Trump. What are those on? Base? Alright, Ski Mask and Ski Trump. Oh, Ski Cat. Alright, I got a list here now, so now we're going to have to go look. Ski Trump and Ski Cat. Alright, I gotta get through these super chat requests before I look at anything else. Yeah, I got Toshi on the list. What's up, the boys? IP's about to moonshot. Alright, let me get Deck Screener pulled up here. Deck Screener. I don't know, every time I stream it gets extremely laggy on the computer here. Alright. Come on, Deck Screener, you can do it. Come on, deck screener. It's slowing me up here. Alright, we're getting there. We're getting there. Alright, we're getting this thing going. Right, let me pull up deck screener here. Yeah, this is bad. This computer is just so slow. Alright, deck screener to the moon. Let's get the chart up. Alright, maybe a black screen for a moment, but let's see. Alright, deck screener, we're here. Okay, let me pull up the list. Chuck on base. Alright, hopefully you guys are still here. Chuck. You guys can see it. It's gonna spin forever. Oh, there we go. Chuck on base. 700K market cap, 44,000 holders. Not a bad looking chart, I already can tell. No bottom yet, but if you can some way form a bottom here. Alright, just gonna focus on the weekly just so we can kind of see it better. Unless there's a bottom forming here, there's nothing bullish on this chart yet. It hasn't established anything. So 775, hopefully it's the bottom. It's trying to hold. It's got two candles here. So other than that, I would imagine you want to know where this thing can end up if it forms a bottom here. Yeah, Chuck on base for the win. Gamble play. Yeah, that other candle looks like it's going down, so this may change. Yeah, 119, 120x up to 9 cents would be your next high. And then this thing's probably down 90%. Oh yeah, in the sweet spot, almost 98% down. So it may be getting ready to put a bottom in. Of course, not financial advice at all. Toshi. Come on, Toshi. We still have our chart. Wait, this ain't the right one. Come on. Come on, Toshi. I mean, it's not in the worst spot, but it's not in the best spot either. It's down below the previous high, and it's getting stuck here on all these weekly candles. Every time it turns into a wick. But you did hit the 0.5 low to the high, so it needs to get back over 7.5 and then bullish over 8.1 here on Toshi. Yeah, you're bouncing off the 0.5, but you're getting stuck. So this thing could easily just come back down and break down. So until you get back over the high again and over 8.1, there's nothing bullish right now on it. But Toshi is going to be a good play. All right, Carlo. Come on. Carlo on base. Oh, Carlo ended up breaking down. I didn't even buy this one and it broke down. I was going to buy Carlo. So you just tagged a 382 to stay macro bullish on Carlo. And then let's go low to the high. But I think it should be the bottom because it's holding up the higher lows, holding the trend. So you're above the 0.5 after hitting the 382. So as long as you're over 15, bullish back over 2.4 on Carlo. But you can clearly see the trend that's holding here. So it should be the bottom. Any lower than 1.3, then it's not going up anymore. It's going to break down. But Carlo, from where it is, new high 1272, not bad. A 3738x up to 6.8. So hopefully that is the bottom for Carlo for you, my man. EFI, AI. Oh, is this a virtual one? What's going on with this one? Oh, this thing going to 0? Oh, come on. Come on, get off my screen. There we go. She's holding. She's holding the low at about 8.3. So if this is the bottom on EFI, come on. Let's see what kind of damage this one can do. Come on, let it go. Not bad. 55x up to the 1272 at 0046 here. Ski Cat and Ski Trump. I would imagine those are on Solana probably. Alright, I'm trying to get through these. I don't know what you guys are chatting about. Ski Cat, I know we've looked at this one before. Come on, computer. Ski Cat is the bottom end. Yeah, it could be. Too many things to click. Yeah. Low to the high, you just bounced off of the 786, so not a bad look. As long as you're over 2.9, that is the potential bottom and a double bottom with a higher low. So maybe this one, Ski Cat's about to take off. Need to get back over the 236 to confirm the bottom is in over 4.5 and then bullish over 5.1. Then macro bullish over 007. And that'll probably signal the breakout. Yeah, this is not a bad looking chart. And this one, new high at about 11 to 12 cents would be about a 39 to 40x. So not a bad one either. It's just every time I buy these coins, they go straight down. Come on. Ski Trump. Alright, we're on the last one here, and then I'll get back over to the chat. This one, Ski Trump. Wow, 28K market cap. Where'd you find this one at? Ski Trump has 660,000 holders. Super low market cap. This may be your winner right here. I can get anything to click like I want it. No, that's not what I wanted. I want the auto button off. Alright, Ski Trump. Very low market cap on this one. A ton of holders. So if that is the bottom on Ski Trump, 236 over 4042, bottom is in, bullish over 73. And Ski Trump, 70x damage. Ah, man, where's my 70x? 786 retracements at 10x to 303. Yeah, I like this one. That's a good one. Too bad I don't have money to buy it. I think I would buy this one right now. Wow. Ski Trump. I like that one. Alright, let me get back over to the chat. What are we looking at here? Alright, come on, get out of my way. Yeah, that's a good one, Dave. Ski Trump. Did you buy in on that one? Alright, let me get caught back up. What a trash bull cycle so far. Nero. What is Nero? What is that on? Is that on ETH? I'm gonna write that down for when we go back over. Let's see. NEIRO. Alright, Nero. Sub Joel, he says Mandy, thank me later. Yeah, didn't you come in here yesterday? Someone said Mandy yesterday. Did we ever find that one? I don't know if that, I don't know, you gotta tell me what that's on. Solana, Ethereum, Base. And it's not on here. Oh, we're still staring at the Trump, the turbo chart. I'm about 30 to 40% down on average. Hope one of them kicks off to help. Yeah, I hope it does. What's up, Lady T? What about prop chain? I don't know what that is. Alright, it's on Solana. Strongest chart in crypto. Alright, so Mandy. We got Phil for 5, says Mandy. Alright, I guess we'll go look at Mandy. Mandy on Sol. I appreciate the 5. How long have we been on here? Wow, coming up on an hour already. We got 40 people in here. How's everyone doing? Alright, Mandy on Sol, we're gonna go look at, I guess. Turbo is on Coinbase now. If I had to pick between Turbo and Pepe, I don't know. Maybe Pepe. Alright. Back over to the slow, trusty deck screener, huh? Alright, let me switch this chart real quick. I don't know what someone asked to look at. Let's see. What is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin's still doing nothing at all. Completely flat. Alright, let me switch this song. Oh, come on. Come on. Alright, there you go. Slava's favorite song, Ocean Drive. That's going to be the best thing ever. Is if I finally make money in crypto and just cruise along the beach and not have to worry about debt or anything else. Prop chain is RWA. Alright, let me put it on the prop chain chart and we'll switch over to... I'm not sure if we looked at this one before. Prop chain. RWA, he says. It's going to 0. Yeah, is that the right prop chain? Prop chain going to 0. Oh Lord, with everything popping up. I'm trying to get this to come up. Hold on. Okay, what are we looking at? Alright, deck screener's back up. Starting to hate deck screener. Yeah, we'll come look at that coin here in just a second. Yeah, the ski trunk, not bad. Alright, Mandy on Soul. I think we looked at this one, didn't we? I don't remember. Oh yeah, we did look at this one. This one, right? Yeah, that's it. Mandy on Soul. Yeah, we looked at this one last night, I believe. Live on daily, 4-hour, full screen. Yeah, she came right up above the 2 and just sitting pretty here holding. So just keep it. Excuse me. So just keep it that simple. It looks like it moved up since we looked at it. So you got your move above the 2. So next stop is another 40-50% spike up to the 2272 at 22, and then 27, and then 37. So we'll leave this here and see if it spikes up again. Yeah, this thing's just going to the moon right now. Consolidated nicely, and it just going. So as long as you're over 1.4, there's nothing to worry about. Only other thing we can do with it would be no wick there, but if it does dip down, as long as you're above 119. Mandy, a 15 million market cap, 500k lock liquidity, not bad. It's got more holders now, so the holders are growing. Mandy to the moon. Alright, let me get back over to the chat, see if this is the right RWA to 0 coin. Prop chain is down a lot. Damn, not bad, my man. 150 on Ski Trump, 150 on ETHAI, 50 on Ski Mask APU. Sub T13 is Ort dead. Alright, Ort, but yeah, this one I can't do anything with it. It's just death. There's nothing bullish at all in this whole chart. And there's no bottom, there's no wicks, there's nothing, it's still going down. I guess the only thing we could do is this. Maybe we can catch a support level if it's not already on one. Alright, so low to the high, 1414 at 52. Let me fix this a little tighter. So maybe, I mean, you gotta form some sort of bounce and do something, but you can see it hit the 1272, closed just below it, and now it's dying again. So 51, 52 is next. Any lower than that, then 37. A 30% drop. But clearly what you want to see is a bounce and some sort of consolidation going on, and hopefully not a bear flag consolidation. Yeah, this thing's been going down for weeks. Damn, 3 months of death. But if it's gonna be something and people can buy it somewhere, you know, maybe you'll catch the bottom. Ort. He says, is Ort dead? Looks like it. Broke the trend, broke the bottom. Yeah, we already drew it on here. High, low to the high. So if it doesn't find the bottom here, 5 is next. It's trying to form something here. What are we on? Weekly chart. 19% drop. We'll zoom this out in just a moment. So pull this down to the new low. Move that. Zoom in. See what we're forming down here. Ugh. Yeah. This thing may be dead because you can clearly see, unless you break over this level here, you're starting to form a continuation pattern to the downside. Same thing Myro did, and then she died. So yeah, there's nothing bullish on Ort. Shadow Realm. Calling her name. Alright, let me make sure I covered all the super chats because I can't scroll back up. $81 votes. Yeah, I don't know what that means. What's up, James? What is PT and DPT? Remind you always use take profit stop loss setup. Yeah, I don't know what that means, but we'll look at spell real quick. You know, I hate looking at spell. What is spell doing? Spell, come on. I think spell's just going back down to put in a higher low, if I remember correctly. Come on, spell. Yeah, spell's another coin-based coin. It put in the higher high. Now it's slowly coming down. So any lower than the 0.5, you're already down below the 382, so you're not bullish anymore. You're down below the 236. So there's a chance you come all the way down to the 786 area at 305. Spell here, but maybe it'll come down here and let me get back in, or let me get in. I haven't got in yet. But now that you're below the 382, the 618 at 307 is in play, a 24% drop, and then possibly, like I said, 43% drop over the next coming weeks here. Just like it did back here, where it just died. Unless you get back over 10 to pretty much 11 to be bullish again. Degen. What is Degen doing? Wow, Degen is still dying. Who's selling their Degen? Degen's looking horrible here. There's nothing bullish on Degen anymore. It even broke this wick low, and you can clearly see a little bear flag is forming, so it looks like this thing's going down to the bottom. Never thought Degen was going to go that low. But you're down below the 236, and it looks like a bear flag is forming. 46% drop, and then we'll just draw one more. See if you're holding a 786, or you're right on the 786 here. So any lower than 4, which I said you are forming a little bear flag. This thing could easily drop back down. It needs to get back over 4.9 to have any kind of hope on Degen. Buy more. Oh, that's part of your name. I didn't even catch that. I thought you were asking for a coin. What's up, Nick? Thanks for the PNG update this morning. I appreciate that. Come on, you stupid thing. You already died on the coin, so hopefully it will come back. It may. You never know what happens in this crypto space. You wake up one morning and your coins went up 1,000%. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say that one day, looking at that. Oh, it was a coin I had on Bitmart. What was it called? M Content. I threw a couple $100 on it. And then it got to the point where it did nothing forever. And then one day I decided to get out of it. I was getting off of Bitmart anyway, but the next day when I looked at it, it did a 10,000% move. And I was like, are you kidding me? I think that was the worst trade I ever did. If I would have just stayed one more day in that coin. What are we looking at? Degen, XCN, Arc Block. mean, just looking at the chart on XCN here, it looks bullish here. We're still holding this little pattern. It looks like it's gearing up to go. Like I said on the update earlier, even though we got a weekly close just below, we're still technically holding. She's trying real hard to hold 2-2 right now. And trying really hard to get stuck at the downtrend. So XCN, yeah, it needs to get over 228 and then bullish over 26. Let's see, yeah, I gotta turn this music down. Alright, so XCN. Yeah, give me a second. I gotta answer this stupid email. Alright, arc block. Is ABT still holding up? Yeah, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Hopefully we have some sort of something happen this week. But yeah, it just, everything looks like it wants to break down here. Even arc block, I mean, just the market structure, lower highs, lower lows. You are sitting above the 382, 786 at 90 to 93. But it's just that the whole market looks horrible right now. So besides holding support here, the price action does not look bullish on arc block at the moment. But if arc block is going to hold up here and make a move at some point, which wherever it is, it will at some point. Next big stop is a 9x to about 875, and then the 1618 would be all the way up here at about 18. 1.7 billion market cap on arc block for an 18x to 18 bucks. And then we just have this here just because the old chart had $30 as a target, so that's why I put this here. 3 billion market cap, 30x to $30. And if you think it's going to go higher than that, a 7 billion market cap to $72, maybe $75 would be a 72x. If you're going to hold up here and hold support levels. Which, like I said, the market structure does not look the greatest. Had a buddy who set on Mantra when I told him it was a dead coin. I bet he made a lot of money on it. IP. What is that story? What is IP story doing? Oh, maybe this was the 1 hour chart. This thing looks horrible. Yeah, I can't really do anything with these 1 hour charts. It just, I guess the good thing is high to the low, you're back over the 382 and holding. So that's your positive. Bullish over 164. Clearly needs to break over about 174, 175 to start moving up. But it looks like it's doing what it did back here, the little curl up, and it just died. Curl up. So we'll see what happens here. Like I said many times, 1 hour chart, this is going to go by really fast, so there's no telling what this is going to do. But if it holds the 382 and gets over these levels and breaks over $2, next stop is 250, 47% move up. But it's just too new of a coin. You're buying ABT, it popped off. It's got a little baby green candle spawned in. Yeah, we just looked at Arc Block. You just get here, my man. What's up, DZ? Yeah, the price action on Arc Block is not looking great. Lower lows, lower highs. The only positive thing, as I said, is you're holding the 786, 618, or 382, 786 here. 90 to 93. There's a chance you could break it though. We'll see. You are holding double support, but you did make a lower low, so not the greatest look here. Oh man. Alright, I'm still here. I'm doing some other work while we're doing the live stream. I got some emails I gotta answer. QNT. Every crypto project I put money on is slept on, at least until I make profit. Yeah, we're gonna be here one day. We're gonna all be in here, and when all these coins we're going over, they're gonna erase the shadow realm within a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and then you guys are gonna be all happy. It's gonna be great. What's up, North? QNT, you only have 15. That's not bad at all for QNT. QNT, where's our chart? Yeah, QNT, Coinbase coin. QNT is going to be a good play. Right, we always look at QNT on the monthly here, because you can see it's still in this triangle pattern phase. I probably need to get a better chart on this one, but 2021 high to the low. It's been just consolidating in a very large pattern here, like a lot of things are doing. And you are, as long as you're over about 84, you are holding this macro support area. There's a bottom here, here, and here, and I believe it's a 618. Let me see where I draw this. I don't remember. 618 or a 0.5 or something there at about 84. Maybe it's from the low here. But you get the idea. Things weren't running so slow. Or maybe it was the 0.5. I don't know where it was. We had a level right at 84, but that's why you bounced here. But you need to get back over 100 to be bullish, and you can clearly see, like we saw in the monthly candles are getting stuck, so you need a monthly close over this trend here, not just a wick. And that'll probably be confirmed once you finally get over 132. Come on, auto button. You're ruining the shadow realm here. Yeah, what's your QNT target? If you got 15 of them. We have, of course, 800 bucks. Then we have 1,000, 11x, and then 1,800 to $2,000. I think is very possible. 20x, and then if you're in the camp of the 5,000 plus, maybe you do come up here and hit the 2. 44.5 up to 5 for a 45 to a 50x. 5,000 coin, $5,000 a coin. That would be nice. Oh, you had 50k in Doge and just let it go back. Yeah, a lot of people did that last cycle. Yeah, there's plenty of time to get QNT. It's still consolidating on the macro, and it's slowly getting squeezed here. It just depends on how long. We could squeeze all the way till the end of the cycle, November, and then this thing's gonna shoot to the moon. One giant candle spawning in. Degen looks like a bottom and slowly gonna go up. Alright, what are we at? Alright, 33 people here. 74 in. Let's see. Yeah, Degen we went over. Let's see, where's Degen? We'll see what happens on Degen, but right now you are technically macro time frame. Macro time frame, it doesn't look bad. You're hitting the 786 and possibly setting up this double bottom lower high. Could be the case. This thing's about to go with a macro moon. But where are we looking at it? I think the 3-day chart. So you are holding the 786 final support. The only thing that concerns me is a strong move down. So if it clearly breaks over this could be a little bear flag in play to where it's going to come down even lower. So just be aware of that. Yeah, Swift coin, I don't know if I ever went back over Swift coin again. The Swift coin's in the same position. It just made a higher high and higher low. I don't know if we did it or not, but really quick here because we're getting near the end here, end of the live stream. So you're down below the 382 at 2.1. As long as you're below that, you're no longer low to the high bullish. You do have a double support here at 516, 1272.5. It just depends on what's going to hold here. If we can get back over 21 to 23, we're back to being bullish and holding. But other than that, we could have a slow crawl all the way back down, depending on where you're going to tag it, like it did here. It took forever to just go sideways and down. So if we do that again, it could bottom out in the summertime again. But it really needs to hold over 16 if it comes down anymore and get back over 21. We got north for 5. Thanks, still can't hear, probably on my end. Yeah, I don't know why you can't hear. ETC is a weird coin, nobody uses it, it does nothing, but people like to see it go up. Yeah, Ethereum Classic's on my list of a rollover play, just for the fact that it's an old coin and it's doing nothing. But yeah, another productive live stream, I guess. Nothing else to talk about. And yeah, we'll be back on here tomorrow. We'll do some updates on the channel and see what happens. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm tired of this cold weather already. It needs to be done already. What's up, Jason? Miners are the ones that pushed up the price of ETC. Yeah, alright. I appreciate you guys coming in here. I appreciate the super chats. We will be back on tomorrow. I guess tomorrow I'm going to try to get out a good amount of updates. Get this thing rolling. Yeah, let me end the poll. Like I said, I appreciate the super chats from you guys. I appreciate the support. You guys have no idea. 100 votes. We made 100 votes. 74% say yeah, we're going to be bullish. We'll see. We'll see how tomorrow goes. But yeah, with all that being said, I appreciate you guys being here. Like I said, we'll be back on tomorrow. Hit the like button on your way out. Everyone file back into the shadow realm. And we'll get out of here at some point. Someday we will. But as always, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.